magnification produced by lens. What do you mean by magnification? It is nothing but it is the comparison of size of image and size of the object. Magnification produced by lens. Now let us define the magnification. Magnification is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. Magnification is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. And magnification has no unit and it is a scalar quantity because it is a just number. Why it has no unit here? Height is measured in centimeter. Height of the image is measured in centimeter. Height of the object also measured in centimeter. Centimeter get cancelled. If it has no unit, then it has no dimension and it is a just scalar quantity because it is a just number. So we are going to write the magnification in terms of object distance and also image distance. Magnification in terms of object distance and image distance. Then magnification in terms of height of the image and height of the object given here. Then what about magnification in terms of object distance and image distance? Now let us draw the diagram. It is a convex lens. Okay. So convex lens means it is a lens which is thick at the middle, thin at the edges. Now the line which is passing through the optical center and centers of curvature of the both curved surfaces is called principal axis, and this principal axis is perpendicular to the lens. See here, it is a lens now. To this lens, this principal axis is perpendicular. Now let us consider. It is first principal focus F and it is a 2F. O2F is the 2 times of OF, and similarly here F and 2F. Then a lens having two foci, two conjugate foci. One focus is at the side of object, another focus is at the side of image. Always we are going to take the light traveling from left to right now for using the sign convention. Now let us consider there is an object. That object is placed at the 2F. Then where its image will be formed? Already we studied that the formation of image by convex lens. First ray is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, the refracted ray passes through the second principal focus. Then the second incident ray which is passing through the optical center, that passes without deviation, because here the emergent ray and extended incident ray both are very close to each other. That is why the incident ray passes without deviation at the optical center. Then where the image is formed? Image is formed at 2F again. Because object is at 2F means its image is also formed at 2F. Then what is the distance of object from the optical center? That is U. That is U. And the distance of the image from the optical center, that is V. V. So we are going to express the magnification in terms of object distance and also image distance. By considering similar triangles, I will take it is A, B, and okay, it is A dash and it is B dash. A dash, B dash is the image of the object AB. Considering similar triangles, what are those similar triangles? They are AOB and another one A dash O B dash. From the similar triangles. From the similar triangles. What are those similar triangles? AOB, because the angle subtended by AOB and the angle subtended by A dash O B dash both are equal, means both are similar triangles. Now from the similar triangles, what are those? AOB and A dash O B dash. So if the triangles are similar, we are going to take the vertical side ratio equal to horizontal side ratio. What is the vertical side of the A dash O B dash? That is A dash B dash. A dash B dash divided by vertical side of the AOB. What is the vertical side of the AOB? That is AB. A dash B dash divided by AB is equal to. Then we are going to take the horizontal sides ratio. What is the horizontal side in A dash B dash O? That is OB dash. So it is called image triangle and it is called object triangle. Why it is called object triangle? AOB is called object triangle because AOB having object, that is AB, and A dash B dash O is called image triangle because this triangle having image, that is A dash B dash. Then the horizontal side of the image triangle, what is that? OB dash divided by then the horizontal side of the object triangle, that is OB, then using sign convention. If the distances are measured upward, they are taken as positive. If the distances are measured downward, that is taken as negative. And if the distances are measured in positive x-axis, they are taken as positive. If the distances are measured in negative x-axis, they are taken as negative. Now, A dash B dash is nothing but it is height of the image. A dash B dash, it is nothing but height of the image. Here height of the image is downward because the distance is measured downward. That is why it is minus of HR, height of the image. Next, what about AB? AB is nothing but it is height of the object, but here object is upward means distance is measured upward. So height is taken as here positive. That is AB is equal to plus HO. Then next, what about OB dash? OB dash is nothing but it is a image distance. So image distance is along positive x-axis and the object distance is along negative x-axis. So because here optical center is taken as a origin. From the origin right side we are going to take the positive x-axis and from the origin left side we are going to take negative x-axis. That is why OB dash is nothing but here plus B. Okay, because the image distance is measured in the direction of incident light. That is why it is taken as positive. And what about OB? OB is minus U because the distance is measured from the optical center in the opposite direction of incident light. That is why it is negative, minus of U. Then by putting these values in this equation becomes equation 1. Equation 1 becomes, so we can write, how to write the equation 1 here? That is A dash B dash is nothing but minus HR divided by AB is nothing but plus HO is equal to, then what about OB dash? OB dash is nothing but plus B. Then what about OB? Minus B. Then here minus get cancel. What left now? HI by HO is equal to B by U. What is HI by HO? HI by HO is nothing but it is a linear magnification and it is also called transverse magnification. That is M is equal to B by U. And it is the magnification in terms of object distance and image distance. Now, magnification is positive for virtual and direct image. Why it is positive for virtual and direct image here? See here. Note number 1. Magnification is positive for virtual and direct image. Direct image means here, if the object is upside, then its image also upside, then it is said to be direct image. Object upside means height of the object is positive, and image also upside means height of the image is positive. Positive for positive, again the magnification is positive. Magnification is positive. So when the magnification produced by the convex lens is positive, only when the object is between principal focus and optical center. Already we discussed that in case of formation of image by convex lens. Now let us consider it is our principal focus, optical center, and the object in between principal focus and optical center. Then first ray is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, the refracted ray passes through the second principal focus. Because in case of convex lens, convergence of light takes place. And one more incident ray that is passing through the optical center that passes without deviation. I will extend these two refracted rays. So where the refracted rays will be meet, at that position image of the object is formed. Okay. Then now, what about the height of the image? Height of the object of positive. Height of the image also positive. Positive by positive, again it is positive. Then it is a which type of image? It is a virtual and direct image. For the virtual and direct image, magnification is positive. And also we can take in terms of object distance and image distance. M is equal to image distance is minus V, because the distance is measured in the opposite direction of incident light. And object distance is minus V, and minus by minus again it is plus. It is plus. Means magnification is positive for which image? Virtual and direct image. Next, second one. So when the magnification produced by convex lens is positive, only when the object in between principal focus and optical center. Next one, magnification is negative for real and inverted image. Real and inverted image. And one more thing remember here, in case of concave lens, always the magnification is positive, because concave lens forms the virtual and direct image. Okay, so that is why always the magnification produced by concave lens is positive. But in case of convex lens, the magnification produced is positive only when object in between F and O. Then we will get virtual and direct image. If object is the object distance is greater than focal length, then we will get real and inverted image. Then what is the magnification now? Magnification is negative. So magnification is negative for which image? Real and inverted image. Now once again I will draw the diagram. Suppose object in between 2F and F, where its image will be formed? Beyond 2F, on the other side. It is object now. First incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, the refracted ray passes through the second principal focus. And one more incident ray that is passing through the optical center, that passes without any deviation. Here the image is formed. Image of the object is formed, that is beyond 2A. Then what is the magnification now? Height of the image is down, but height of the object is up. So that is why plus by minus it is minus. M is negative for which image? It is for real and inverted image. What do you mean by real? Real image is nothing but this is the image which can be obtained on the screen. Then what is virtual image? This is the image which cannot be obtained on the screen, that is called virtual image. Next, note number 3. Magnification is greater than 1. Magnification is greater than 1 for magnified image. For magnified image. Magnified image means here the size of the image is greater than size of the object, means height of the image is greater than height of the object. M is greater than 1 means HI is greater than HO. When the numerator is greater than denominator, always its answer is greater than 1. Okay. Then number 4. Magnification is less than 1 for which image? That is for diminished image. Magnification is less than 1 for diminished image. diminished image. So when the magnification you will get less than 1 only when the height of the image is less than height of the object. Here height of the image is less than height of the object. Now let us consider, we know that what is magnification? It is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. If height of the image is less than height of the object, means numerator is less than denominator, its answer is always less than 1, then image is said to be diminished. Then next, number 5. If m is equal to 1, then the size of the image is equal to size of the object. Then size of the image means height of the image. Size of the image is equal to the size of the object. The size of the object. That means height of the image is equal to height of the object. If numerators and denominators both are equal, then we will get the answer that equal to 1. Okay. So at what position of the object we will get the magnification -1 in case of convex lens? At the position 2f. Okay. See here, when the object is at 2f, where its image will be formed? That is also at 2f. Here object distance and image distance both are equal. We can write m. So object distance is -u because when the object is at 2f. When the object is at 2f, object distance is -u, and where its image will be formed? Its image will be formed at 2f again. But here image distance is plus v. Image distance is plus v, object distance is -u. But when the object is at 2f, image also formed at 2f. Means object distance and image distance both are equal from the optical center. Then both get cancelled, we will get answer -1. It is very important. When the magnification produced by convex lens is -1, only when the object is at the twice of the focal length of the convex lens. Twice means here, if the focal length is 15 cm, then O2f is 30 cm. Okay, it is twice of the focal length. Then, and one more thing, the magnification produced by concave lens is always less than 1 because we will get the diminished image by the concave lens, and also the magnification produced by concave lens is always positive because the concave lens gives the virtual and erect image.